Minister wa ugitiri wa thiini Fred Matiang'i augite oguo riri mwena wa mungithaniro ugite no uguthie na mbere na mirurungano yaguo ona thengia ya gukorwo mirurungano iri tafanitio ni itigite indo cia mamilioni ma mbeca ithukangitio.
I am calling upon all Kenyans whose property was destroyed or looted during the demonstrations to report to the OCS Nairobi Central Police Station to facilitate the legal action we intend to take against the said Mr. Magaya, the organizer of the demonstrations. And I wish to confirm to you that we shall prefer charges against the said Mr. Magaya, and we are waiting for the report on the damages caused so as to quantify the value of the claims.
Oho Matiang'i ni arutire mukana na auga gutire mirurungano iri tafanagio gatagati ka micii ya Nairobi, Mombasa na Githumo.
We will not allow demonstrations within the central business districts of Nairobi, Mombasa and Kisumu. The Inspector General of Police has been advised accordingly. Further, in accordance with Article 54 of the Constitution of Kenya and pursuant to the powers accorded to me by Section 22 of the Public Order Act, I will shortly be gazetting regulations that govern the conduct of public processions and demonstrations.
No na kuri uguo abunge matiganite a kiama kia NASA maugite matiguthikireria mukana wa Matiang'i no maguthie na mbere na mirurungano eno.
The Cabinet Secretary has on multiple occasions failed to perform his duties and now seeks to shift responsibility to ordinary citizens to provide security. Since when did government, with its entire monopoly of violence, guns, bullets, tear gas, handcuffs and so on, cede its responsibility to wananchi?
The right to picket and to demonstrate is entrenched in the supreme law of the land.
Nao arunao a Jubilee ni moritie Matiang'i akinyererie hau makiuga ni maranyita murugamo wake baru.
Mimi kama mbunge wa Starehe nimeamurishwa na watu wangu niombe IBC na nikaandikia barua Chebukati na nikaikopia Inspector General wa Police kuwaomba kama wanaweza kaondoa ofisi zao pale ziko Anniversary Towers zipelekwe ile ideal place tunaona ni Bomas of Kenya.
Maandamano maya maretetwo ni andu anasa wambere na tu maandamano uyu ni wikinae turonire hatharani na nithio ni turauga Matiang'i mukono muno na tukamunyita moko tondu tutigwitikira mundu acindwo githurano ageta andu guka kuiya indo cia andu aria macindite githurano.
Maya magithiaga na mbere kiama kia aruti wira guku bururi-ini Kotu nikiuritie mutongoria wa bururi Uhuru Kenyatta na mutongoria wa mungithanio Raila Odinga kunanira njung'wa niguo kunina ndugamano ya kiuteti iria ri bururi-ini gikiuga andu aingi ni megute uboco wao.
My colleagues have asked me to appeal to the main players on our political scene, that is Jubilee and NASA, to come together, bearing in mind that Kenya is bigger than the two outfits, political outfits.
Ino no emwe ya njira ya gutigirira ati mungithaniro ni watabania mirurungano yao na njira ya thayu na uigiririki na ri gugithaitira muhuri wa biashara na kurehe thayu guku bururi-ini. Ngiribotera Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Maina wa Mwangi.